Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Microsoft Authenticator for phishing-resistant MFA setup easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your device and locate the App Store. Search for Microsoft Authenticator in the App Store. Download and install the Microsoft Authenticator app. Once installed, open the app on your device. You may be prompted to allow notifications and access to your camera. Grant the necessary permissions for the app to function properly. On the main screen of the app, tap on Add Account. Choose Work or School Account from the options presented. You will see a QR code scanner appear on your screen. On your computer, navigate to the website where you need to set up MFA. Log into your account using your credentials. Find the Security Settings or the MFA Setup section in your account settings. Look for an option to set up an Authenticator app. You will be presented with a QR code on your computer screen. Return to the Microsoft Authenticator app on your device. Use the QR code scanner to capture the code displayed on your computer. After scanning, your account will be added to the app. The app will generate a 6-digit code for your account. To complete the setup, return to your computer. Enter the 6-digit code from the Microsoft Authenticator app. Once entered, you should receive a confirmation message on your computer. Your Microsoft Authenticator app is now configured for phishing-resistant MFA. You can always open the app to retrieve codes for future logins. Be sure to keep your app updated for optimal security features. That's how you set up Microsoft Authenticator for enhanced security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.